we go. All right. So we had to go to the store and we are driving down. I'll let you guys see the roads that I don't even know if they've even done anything with.
Why don't we tell them why?
Oh,
There
look, now they're starting. Okay, there we go.
No, but you ready?
Yeah.
We got food for us. We got food for the dog. But we forgot we had lizards.
Yeah, our lizards have to eat, so we have to go get them food. Yeah, we're bad lizard parents right now. But at least we're risking our lives for our lizards, right?
I'd go outside and I would try and find crickets, but there's none hidden under the snow.
Okay, so here's the roads in Ohio. They suck. My car would not stop this morning when I was trying to stop.
It's also that you were driving.
Yeah, I don't know how to drive in the snow. I've lived in Ohio my whole life and I still don't understand.
Some loud ass voice.
But yeah, look at the roads. They're awful. And it hasn't even really started snowing that, like it's not really that hard of snow. So I can just imagine how bad it's gonna get. There's well, you can't see it right now, but like the rubber bowl was over there. The blimp hanger for Goodyear is back in that whiteness. And the Derby Downs is up there too, but you can normally see them, but it's just like a big white. So this is Snowmageddon in the beginning. We'll post more later.